canción con mucho cariño de mi corazón a la República Dominicana, la casa del merengue y la casa de la bachata. Voy a cantar esta canción con mucho cariño de mi corazón a la República Dominicana, la casa del merengue y la casa de la bachata. La 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 la, la casa del merengue. La 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 la.
Our coach drops us at Plaza del Ayuntamiento, and our walking tour of Valencia Old Town starts in Calle San Vicente Martir. We can see in the distance the bell tower of the cathedral and head towards it. We come into Plaza de la Reina, where in the top left hand corner we find the entrance to the cathedral. The entrance to the cathedral is known as the Iron Gate due to the cast iron fence surrounding it. St Mary's Cathedral was consecrated in 1228. It is largely built in a Gothic style of architecture, and it was built in a cruciform plan with a central octagonal tower. We leave the cathedral and enter the Plaza de la Virgen, where we find La Fuente del Turia, the Turia fountain, which represents the Turia River and depicts Neptune. We then cross to the Jardin del Rio to look at the fountains. We re-enter the old city through the Torres de Serranos, one of the only parts of the old city wall to survive the wholesale demolition of the city walls in 1865. This northeastern gate was built in the Gothic style at the end of the 14th century. It was built with a defensive function, but from 1586 to 1887 it was used as a prison. We head towards the Iglesia de Santa Catarina, which was built in 1245. The bell tower is a landmark to head towards as we make our way to the restored central market. This is one of the most attractive and visited buildings in the city of Valencia. We head our way back to Plaza del Ayuntamiento and then Yep, the loud unexpected explosions in the middle of the day gave us a fright too. This is the Mascleta, one of the Valencian region's most loved traditions. If, like us, you visit Valencia in mid-March, you might think you've landed in a war zone. The air is thick with the smell of gunpowder and the sound of firecrackers. This is part of the Las Fallas festival. The City of Arts and Sciences is a cultural and architectural complex in the city of Valencia. It was opened on the 9th of October 2005. This building, La Agora, is an exhibition hall next to the Asut de l'Or Bridge, a white cable-stayed bridge some 125 metres high. This is the Musée de les Sciences Príncipe Felipe, an interactive museum of science that resembles the skeleton of a whale. It has 20,000 square metres of glass. This is Le Hemispheric, an IMAX cinema, planetarium and laserium. It is meant to resemble a giant eye. This is the Palais de les Arts Reina Sofia, an opera house and performing arts centre. This is La Umbracle, a landscape walk. It harbours the work of sculptors with work by contemporary artist Yoko Ono.
Voy a cantar esta canción con mucho cariño de mi corazón a la República Dominicana.
I hope you enjoyed that quick tour of Valencia. Next time we're going to move in down the coast to the Costa del Sol, and we're going to look at Malaga, we're going to look at Torremolinos and Fuengirola. So I'll see you then soon. Bye for now.
La casa del merengue, la y la casa de la bachata.